Hello, friends. I hope you're doing great. Welcome to an exciting walk. This is Iran, and today we've come to Delgosha Garden in the beautiful city of Shiraz. This mansion was built with Qajar and Safavid architecture. It has wooden decorations and lattice windows. Delgosha Garden is one of the historical gardens of Shiraz, which was also known during the Sassanid era, but the current structure mostly belongs to the Safavid and Qajar periods. If you've enjoyed the video so far, we'd be happy if you give it a like. I'm sure you'll be amazed as the video continues. This garden was one of the first places where electric lamps were used. Well, now it's time to go see the Delgosha Museum. From here, we enter the Delgosha Museum. Get ready to experience a real sense of nostalgia. The stairs are wooden, and stepping on them gives a special feeling. As we go up these stairs, we reach a section of the museum where old and fascinating radios and televisions are kept. Please share your comments and feelings so we can continue on to see the more amazing parts of the museum. Here are images of antique and ancient objects in this museum. A Qajar axe inlaid with gold and silver. A bronze axe from the Median period. Old banknotes. Coins from different eras. Banknotes from the Pahlavi period. An old sewing machine and telephone. If you've enjoyed the video up to this point, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Here is a picture of Mrs. Khorshid Kola, who for many years worked on collecting and preserving the objects of this museum. Friends, be sure to tell us where in Iran you would like us to make videos for you in the future. My dear friends, thank you for joining us. If you liked this video, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our upcoming videos. Until another exciting video, goodbye.